What's up, guys? This is Soft Effects. Welcome to this video. In this video, we're going to be looking into the British pound charts against the US dollars and giving you some analysis and also some of the current trades that we already have. Guys, do not forget to join the WhatsApp channel below this video. The link is below this video because that is where I post my signals, live trades, my setups, my exit points, and the whole rest of them, and follow ups on some of the videos that we do post here. So you might want to check that link, and also if you want to get in touch with me one on one for some business deal or whatever it is, make sure to check the X, that's the Twitter handle below this video. Now, without further ado, let's go. Guys, subscribe, share this video, and also make sure to help us grow the community. Now, in the chat, this is actually a running trade, and this trade we shared it in my WhatsApp channel a few hours ago. This is actually during the Asian session, but because normally I do wait for the London session, but because this area here was actually a very good selling opportunity, which I'm going to review to you in this video, that was actually why I sold and I shared the signal in our WhatsApp channel below, and the link is below this video. So if we go back to the daily time frame, I want to show you guys something. Um, I keep talking about this area right here. I told you a few days ago that we are going to come down to fill up these imbalances over here, and this is what is drawing the market down. And as you can see, we are still going downwards. So I still expect more movement to the downside, and that is why I'm holding. I'm more focused on selling until we start seeing some kind of reversal over here. Though yesterday I did tell you guys that I did tell you guys in our WhatsApp channel actually that we're going to see British pound buying during the London session, and that is exactly what happened right here. During the London session, we saw British pound buying to this level. Now, the reason why I am selling from this level, okay, is because if we take our tool down, if we take this swing and measure out this swing, you will see that the price actually went into the 60% level over here, which is actually more like an optimum trade entry. So this level right here is actually where I normally look at to see look for sell setups, okay, which is the premium level. So selling from this premium level makes sense, and for the fact that we um, touched this imbalance over here simply means that this was actually a very good sell position. So the stop loss is just above this because we might see um okay, let me just show you something. What I'm expecting to happen in the London session um is that this is the London session just few hours from now, which is 9 o'clock um, Nigerian time. Now, if you go to Forex Factory, you will see that as at by 9:30, which is today, we're going to have okay, this is Nigerian time. So we're going to have a high impact news on the British pound, which, as you can see, is these two of them, and this is going to be for USD later in the afternoon. But this news right here, what I'm going to do is that I am going to move my stop loss into my entry if we are still in profits, because um, during the course of this news, we are going to see some kind of we're going to see some kind of spike. Okay, we might see some kind of spike over here. But basically, irrespective of the news, what I'm expecting the British pound to do, what I'm expecting the British pound to do is to come down to take this level. Okay, this is the level I'm expecting we are going to have some kind of reaction. So it is either the market comes down to this level, creates a kind of manipulation during the news, all right, then we'll go upwards, or we are going to see um, the market will just continue selling, okay, into our take profits right here. So bringing down. the stop loss into this level before the news is actually going to make sense. Now, one of the reasons why I also think that the market might want to bounce and go upwards is because if we go into the a higher time frame, in the 4 hour time frame, you will see that there's actually a little bit of draw on liquidity over here, which might want to push the market up to this level. So, but um, you know, that's on the 4 hour time frame. So, but what we are trading right now is what's happening in the meantime. So, guys, this is the update for GBPUSD, and this is where I think GBPUSD is going on the on the larger time frame. We are still bearish, we are still very bearish, and I'll keep focusing on selling until we start creating a reversal pattern, maybe on the 4 hour time frame, because even on the 4 hour time frame we are still going downwards. So I would actually want to see some kind of break, okay, above this level as of now, before I say okay, we are now reversing. Or if I see, if we come down, create a double bottom, kind of double bottom, then see a break above this level, then before I will say we are now on an uptrend. So but for now we'll keep selling GBPUSD. So guys, if you like this video, if you want to see more of this kind of videos, this video analysis both on Bitcoin and British pound, and whatever asset you want me to analyze for you specially, just drop the comments, just drop in the comment section below this video. And guys, do not forget to subscribe. Do have a lovely day ahead.